Hello, good morning. I am Asia Kalisarahima. I am an undergraduate student of Office Administration Education, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Right now, I wanna explain about my research is the influence of self-efficacy and achievement motivation on the interest in continuing education in studying at State Vocational School 44 Jakarta. Next. This is the table of contents of this research. And you can see I am want to explain in this research about is the result and discussion and closing. Next. Okay, this is the result and discussion. Next. You can see respondent profile in this research is with total of 138 students. Next. Convergent validity in this research with a loading factor value more than 0.70 for confirmatory research and more than 0.60 for exploratory research with an AV value more than 0.50 for confirmatory and exploratory research. And you can see in this picture, this research with have a confirmatory research. Okay, next. This is this discriminant validity with a cross-loading value more than 0.70 for each variable, and the square root value of AV more than correlation between latent construct. And you can see in this picture, this has a variable. Next. This is the composite reliability with a value of more than 0.70 for confirmatory research and 0.60 for exploratory research. And you can see this is the composite reliability. Next. This has a R square with value of 0.67 means strong and 0.33 means moderate and 0.19 means weak. And this research has a moderate result. And the F square of this research with value of 0.02 means a weak result and 0.15 has a medium result and 0.35 for a strong result. Next. Use care of this value of more than 0 indicates the model has predictive relevance, and less than 0 indicates the model has less predictive relevance. And you can see in this picture that it has a predictive relevance. Next. PIF in this research using a tolerance with more than 0.2 or PIF less than 5 indicates that the two of constructs have a collinearity problem. And you can see in that picture that is have a collinearity problem. Next. Okay, the last is pet coefficient with a value of +1 is positive relationship and strong, and -1 is negative relationship. And the p-value less than 0.05, there is a significant effect or H is accepted. And you can see the p-value in that picture is have a significant and H is accepted. Next. Okay, this is the closing of this research. Next. The conclusion of this research is one, there is a positive and significant direct influence between self-efficacy on achievement motivation of students of SMK Negeri 44 Jakarta and H is accepted. Two, there is a positive and significant direct effect between self-efficacy on interest in continuing education to higher education of students SMK Negeri 44 Jakarta and H2 is accepted. Three, there is a positive and significant direct influence between achievement motivation on interest in continuing education to higher education students of SMK Negeri 44 Jakarta and H3 is accepted. Four, there is a positive and significant indirect effect between self-efficacy on interest in continuing education to college through achievement motivation of student of SMK Negeri 44 Jakarta and H4 is accepted. Next. Implication. The theoretical implication of this research are: one, learners have a high strength of belief in themselves. Two, learners will continue to improve their creativity and ability to achieve according to their wishes. Three, learners recognize the things they want to do, including education. And the practical implication of this research are: one, learners give up easily when facing difficult in completing a task. Two, learners are not willing to make extra effort and exert all their abilities to be able to achieve greater authority in the workplace. Three, learners do not make every effort to overcome obstacles that may arise in pursuing higher education. Next. The last is research limitation. One, this study used on one independent variable and one mediating variable. Well, there are still other variables that affect the interest in continuing education to college. Two, this study was only conducted at one of vocational school in Central Jakarta. So the result may not be relevant to describe the situation in other place. Three, the study took the object of uh, 12 grade students in the measurement of research instrument. Well, 10 class and 11 grade students and teachers can also be included. For limited time, cost, and energy in conducting research is also one of the obstacles so that the research is not more in-depth. Next. Okay, that's all for my research about the influence of self-efficacy and achievement motivation on interest continuing education at higher education at SMK Negeri 44 Jakarta. Thank you.